Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So you'll probably see the title today is that I am getting ready to set up my room. Dang, what's it called? It's that, you know how you put stuff, it's like a I can't think. It's like a bookshelf, but they are a little different. Let me show y'all. Like this. Couldn't think of it. My mind going blank. So you'll probably hear the fan in here because it's a little raining. It was raining early this morning, but I'm a little late on feminist. I want to kind of do this, and but if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you'll never miss out none of my video, and follow my social medias that be in the description box. But let's get started onto this, and I hope this don't take too long. I hope I get it. I'm trying to do this by myself. What is these? Hey. Over. Oh. Oh. Get the thing out of the box. This thing was like heavy. For the record, I also don't know I'll be right there. What the heck is this? Oh, this part when you use it for a movie?
Most prized.
Instructions. So I got all four of these. So I need to the hammer and
A few moments later.
I'm not doing this right. I'm trying to think. Why is he walking like that? I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. almost done.
Everybody be advised, he has help.
Two hours later.
Proud of myself, y'all. I'm proud of myself. Good job. Patting the back. Okay, guys. I have finished working on building my 9Q or organized. I don't know what they call it. I'm gonna call it like a big bookshelf. This is how it looks like. Good job. I did a good job. So I finished it. So I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. It has a back that you could add, cover the back part. So let's say I don't need to put it back behind there, but I'm probably will. I'm gonna be doing some decorating on it when, you know, Christmas come up, and because I love Christmas, so I like to kind of put my Christmas tree up because I have a Christmas tree that in my closet I have. It's not a big one, but it's like a medium size. So yeah, I did a good job. And also I could put like my art stuff, like my art supply stuff right there, because I got like art pencils and my other things I could put right there, because I've been wanting to put magazines. I got books that I have too, because I need to put my books. I got a lot of books that I have that I need to put them using that for that too. My pillow just fall off. But yeah, I just want to kind of show this to y'all. And I know that it's not quite as good. I know it's late right now. So I hope that y'all enjoy this video, that I'll show you. Thumbs up on this video and comment below. Subscribe if you're new. Click the bell notification. Follow my social medias that be in the description box. And stay classy, stay sassy. Be you, do you. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all. And thank y'all so much. And y'all are the bestest subscribers ever. And also, I probably say we did it. We grow this channel together. So, bye, y'all.